So, hi Prakash, how are you?
Yeah, fine, madam. I'm good. And how about you?
I'm good, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad. Yeah.
Okay,
And
and what do you do?
where you are from?
I'm from Delhi, I live in Delhi.
Delhi. Okay, fine. Okay. New
Yeah.
Delhi. I mean, yeah.
Yes, capital of the country. Yes, Delhi it is.
Yeah.
What do you do, Prakash?
Yeah, I'm a freelancer.
What number of
Yeah.
session is this? We were saying something.
Phone number one, two, three, fourth.
This is the fourth one today.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, so
Mm.
Prakash, apart from taking sessions here, what other things are you doing for your practice?
Apart from that, I keep on first on this platform. I try to build confidence while speaking.
Okay.
And second thing, I try to learn new vocabulary words or something like how to pronounce those words. So these
How?
are the things that I'm real. How means I go on daily basis, like for example, in this platform only they daily they give two to three new words. Okay,
Okay.
so that's how I learn. And not only that, but also I keep on learning new things on various platforms,
All
YouTube
right.
or like yeah.
Okay. Are you in a habit of watching any English movies or web series?
No, madam, I really don't have.
Why not? See, I would suggest that it is actually a great practice and everybody should try this out.
Okay, I
So, yeah,
really want, but nowadays I really don't. I'm only pertaining to Telugu movies, Hindi movies like that.
you don't
But
get the time, and
so,
whatever time you're getting, you are putting it on Telugu movies.
yeah.
Yeah.
So if at all, if you want to suggest me, what kind of web series do you suggest me in English?
Whatever genre you like, it doesn't matter. It's just
Okay.
that one episode should always be in your schedule on a daily basis.
Okay.
Okay, it doesn't matter what you're watching, it doesn't matter for how much duration you're watching it for. It's just that it has to be in English and that it has to be every day.
Yeah. So
That's the only requirement that is there.
okay, ma'am, sure.
Okay, which genre do you prefer?
I prefer horror movies, action,
You
comedy.
like horror? I hate horror. I'm so scared of horror stuff. Okay, so you like horror.
Yeah.
Alright.
I yeah.
So there are a lot of horror movies in English and web series in English. Why don't you try them out?
Yeah. Recently I watched The Conjuring. You know.
The Conjuring, yes. You've
Yeah.
watched
It was
both parts.
yes, yes. It was really very scary for me as well.
And surprisingly, I hate horror stuff. And I watched Conjuring 2 in the theaters.
Okay.
It was like the
Theaters.
worst decision ever.
Like
Watching Conjuring on the big screen. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just went there. It was a bad move. So yeah, people make mistakes. So that is mine.
that's not called a mistake.
Oh come on, it was the biggest mistake of my life watching Conjuring 2. Coming back from that movie, I slept with my mom.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how scary it was for me. I don't like such things.
Okay. So
But
that was the
anyway,
last movie. That was your last movie, and you decided in the further not to go to those kind of
you would think so. Any sensible person would think this only. But no, I even went for watching The Nun. The Nun is also a horror movie. I went
yeah,
to
yeah.
the theaters to watch The Nun. I went to the theaters to watch Insidious Part 4. And I have no idea why. I have no idea why. We're
Okay.
on peer pressure. All the friends are going. So why not me? It's okay. It's just a movie. And I just went.
Okay.
Such a bad experience. So yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, but what was the driving force? You already experienced bad moment, and you said bad wrong decision. But what is the driving force that you attracted to those kind of films again? So it's the
Peer
only kind of
pressure, that's what I'm saying. Peer pressure it was.
okay pressure.
Peer pressure. You know what
Okay,
peer
fine.
pressure is?
No, no.
Peer pressure is that your rest of the group is going, your friends
Fine,
are
fine, fine.
going.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
So
right.
they also say that, oh, come on, it's just a movie. Let's go. It'll be fun.
Yeah.
Everybody's going. So I'm like,
Okay,
okay, it's
okay.
just a movie. Let's go.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's
I
all stupid stuff.
peer pressure. Okay. So okay. Yeah. But
That was the driving force in my scenario.
okay. But apart from peer pressure, also you must have been gone through some kind of adventure, right?
No, not at
No,
all. Not at all.
you are doing something which is not at all suitable for you, and not you are not likable to see those kind of movies. But still, you did because that's called some kind of entertainment like that. You can assume that like that, right? As
It
then,
wasn't entertaining. It wasn't entertaining for me. It was traumatizing for me.
yeah. At the end of the day, whatever it may be, if a movie is based on romantic or comedy, horror, anything is comes under entertainment.
It wasn't entertaining for me. If I'm scared of
So,
watching that stuff, I'm not mentally prepared to watch that stuff, then how would it be entertaining? It would be a punishment sitting there.
yeah, but obviously, whatever it may be, we see movies as an entertainment, right? So in that particular movie, genres will be different, obviously. So
Yeah.
I see them as an entertainment. That's what I'm saying. That's it.
So if you like horror genre, so horror movie would be an entertainment for you. I don't like
Yeah,
horror genre, so sitting and watching
but-
a horror movie is not going to be an entertainment for me.
okay,
Not
okay,
at
okay.
all. But yeah. Okay, so you like horror. What
Not
other
very,
stuff have you watched in horror?
not very much, but I like in the sense I have seen so some in the college days, my one of my friend said to watch Annabella. So that was my first
Annabelle.
experience.
Hmm.
It was my first experience watching alone in the during the midnight.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so at that time I got realized,
Oh my god, you chose midnight as a time to watch that
yeah,
movie.
because
Why?
yeah, you only insisted me to watch midnight. I don't know why. I will watch at 8 o'clock right now. What will happen? He said, no, no, you have to watch at midnight 12. He said, and every one of my friends slept, and I was, going through that part.
Does this happen with you also that you watch this horror movie and then you feel like, those scenes they keep on playing in your head even when you're sleeping?
Yeah, yeah,
So it
it
kind of
happened.
becomes such a regular thing that, I don't even remember when was the last time I watched something horror.
Okay,
Seriously, that's how much I've hated it.
fine, fine. But over the period of time, I think there is one movie in Netflix which 1 in 100 people have only watched. I don't know particular name, but recently it is going viral on Instagram. I don't
Is that
know.
Veronica?
Yeah, Veronica, right? Yeah,
Veronica, yes. They
yeah,
say like 100 people have watched that movie and only one of them was able to finish it.
yeah. I don't know why. I have to go through it once again.
What is that sound? What is
Hmm?
that door sound? Oh my god. We are actually
Yeah,
on a horror topic and there's a screeching door.
yeah. This is my friend.
Timing, God, Prakash, what timing?
Um,
Okay. I have heard this too that Veronica is supposed to be like the scariest
Okay,
movie and that 100 people have watched it and only one was able to finish it off.
okay, okay.
That's
So yeah, that is what I'm saying. People, there are kind of a video films where you can beyond entertainment.
exactly. I
Yeah,
find it disturbing. I don't like those sudden sounds and that violence and that killing, murders and stuff. I don't like. I'm a very comic person. I like
same.
romance. I like comedy. Don't show me horror. It's not
Yeah,
my deal. Not my deal.
yeah. Even I love apart from those, I like more often action and romantic films as well. Recently, we went to one of Puri Jagannath film in Tollywood. Obviously, I'm saying. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that's all. So, who is your favorite heroine?
Um. See, I don't watch Hindi. I don't watch Hindi at all. So
Only
I don't
Hollywood.
like Bollywood because I think Bollywood has become complete shit these days. It's either remake or it is nonsense. Only two
Yeah.
things, right?
So
So I don't
and
watch
you are the yeah you are the first girl I am listening from North who hate Bollywood.
tend to have a little different style. That's what it is. But I absolutely hate Bollywood. I don't watch anything. I watched that movie called Shersha because it had meaning. It was based on a real life experience. So that's why I watched that movie and it was actually good.
Okay.
Otherwise, everything else is pure crap. So I don't watch.
Okay.
You watch
And
Hindi?
no, rarely I watch, but normally no. I used to watch Sushant Singh Rajput movies as well.
You haven't watched it.
No, no. I used to watch only those kind of videos. Once upon a time I used to something like the last movie that I watched in theater is I think I don't remember, but yeah, I usually do watch Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan and Sushant Singh Rajput. Yeah, Ranbir Kapoor. Yeah,
Okay.
but yeah, now my friend has forced me to go, and that's how I went there. So,
Your friends have a pretty good control over you, huh? Whatever they say, you are so obedient. It's like, oh, he has asked me to watch it in the midnight. The movie, I will watch it during midnight. If he has asked me to go watch the movie, I will go and watch Salman Khan movie. That's
yeah,
good
that's
that you're
how.
such a good friend.
Yeah. So yeah, tell me what during what you do actually, studying right or doing profession
Yeah, I'm a doctor. My internship is going on right now. So it has
surgery.
to be, no, not surgery. I'm a physio.
I didn't get you.
Physio. You've heard of physiotherapy?
Physiotherapy. I heard, but I don't. I didn't experience so far.
Uh-huh. It's good. It's good. I wish you never need to visit a physio.
Okay,
So
so
I'm a
you are a
physio.
doctor. You are a doctor by profession.
Yes, that's my
Oh my
profession.
God, I am talking. Till now I was thinking that I was talking with a girl, but right now I realize that I'm talking with a doctor.
Oh God. See, when I'm here, I'm just a girl. Don't worry. It doesn't have to be a doctor you're talking to. It's okay. I'm just a
Really?
speaker here. Oh, you have
Until
taken 4 other sessions, right? I forgot to ask, how are your sessions going, by the way?
yeah, it was good. It was really. I didn't expect that there will be someone who will give me some suggestion where I can improve my communication skills, improve my confidence, and also have a lots of fun. Yeah,
Okay.
and
So,
also yeah,
did you get the right advice what you were looking for?
yeah. At the end of the session, they will say what where I will lack and where I need to improve. So yeah, I will really getting some good advice from here as well.
That's splendid. Good.
Yeah,
That's good. That's all right. Because according to me, I would say watching web series and movies would help you a lot, really help you, because you only get 15 minutes to talk here, right? So that is not enough. So apart from that, there needs to be some extra effort from your side as well. So I would
yeah,
say
sure.
if you get the time, if because I know you're also a working person, so you also don't get enough time to spend.
Yeah,
If you get the time, you need to keep yourself surrounded with the language. Okay?
yeah, sure.
No Telugu or any other movie.
Yeah, okay, fine,
It
sure.
has to be in English. Once in a
Okay,
while, it's okay. You switch to Telugu or some other language. That's up to you. But most of the time, I would say please try to add more and more of English content.
okay, fine, sure.
Okay? Because if you'll keep yourself surrounded, you'll listen more, you'll speak well. That's how the
Yeah,
cycle goes.
got it. Yeah,
Okay? So, yes, this would be the advice from my side for you.
yeah. Thank you. And really, in the further also, I will have a try to have a schedule. We'll speak of a lot of stuffs. And really, it was good talking with you. I didn't even know when a doctor can speak in such a friendly and friendly way.
Oh my, oh, what do you think of doctors? I would love to know. What?
Yeah, probably. I thought that doctors are very busy in their taking care of patients or some kind of serious. They don't like to talk with a guy like me very serious, funny way. This
So
is
at least
what I
at least I was able to change your perception about doctors. No, I changed your perception.
yeah, I really adore and respect doctors. There is no doubt about it.
Yeah. But at
Yeah,
least I've changed it. Now this is not going to be what you'll think about doctors.
yeah, yeah. But it was really good. It was really good to know that you are a doctor, and
Thank
until and
you.
unless I realized you are a doctor, my perception has changed.
See, you don't have to change your style of talking. It has to be the same. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, sure.